Good morning to you. Good morning, my friends. I hope you like this cloudy day outside. Good morning, room 3 friends. I know it's been a while since I spoke to you all, and I really miss being around all of you. I hope you're all doing great, washing your hands and staying healthy. Like we do in our room 3, let's start with our calendar song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, the days of the week. If yesterday was Sunday and tomorrow is Tuesday, what is the day? The day of the week. Yes, it's Monday. Room 3 friends, please be my echo. Today is Monday, April 13, and the year is 2020. Since I don't have anyone to help me here, I'm going to stick it all by myself. So, I have something new to teach you all today. We've been using two types of bins in our class. So, one is the recycle bin, where we throw all our scrap papers and the cardboard boxes. And we have another bin called trash, where we throw our paper towels and the leftover lunches from our lunchbox when we don't want to eat anymore, and sometimes when we sweep and we have some crumbs around under our table after lunchtime, we throw all our crumbs in the trash bin, and we sometimes bring in some leaves or sticks or flowers from playground. So we teachers ask you to either keep it back in the playground or throw it in the trash. So all those things, they go in the trash. But not all things that we throw in the trash are garbage. They can go into a different type of bin called compost. Items like your leftover food and your plant waste, like the things you bring from playground, and some vegetable waste and the crumbs when you sweep can go into this new bin called compost. To explain that, I brought in some miniature versions of the bins today. So I brought a mini version of my recycle bin. So this is going to be my recycle bin today. And this is going to be my trash bin. And this is going to be my compost bin. So let me tell you again. This is my recycle bin for today. And this is my trash bin for today. And this is my compost bin for today. So I brought in some items from my home that can be sorted into recycle, trash, and compost. So, what is this? This is a Ziploc bag, and since it's plastic, this goes into our trash bin, like as usual. And this is a cardboard box, like before. This also goes into our recycle bin. And this is a plastic lid. So like before, this also goes into our trash bin. And these are peels of carrot from my kitchen. Where do you think this goes? Yes, this goes into compost because, as I said earlier, all the food waste and the vegetable waste and plant waste can go into this new bin called compost. That's why we are going to throw all our carrot peels into our compost bin. And we have some papers. These papers can either go into recycle bin or compost bin. For today, I'm going to throw it back in the compost bin. So I have a styrofoam cup, and the styrofoam cup cannot be recycled. So this goes into our trash bin like earlier. And this is a dried flower. This can go into our compost bin. And I have some dried leaves from a garden. This can also go into the compost bin. And I have an empty glue stick. Where does this go? Does this go in recycle? No. Does this go in compost? No. This goes only in trash. And I have a piece of apple. This will go into compost. And I have a plastic spoon. Can this go in compost? No. This can only go into trash. And I have some more dried leaves and peels of apple. These can go into compost bin. And I have a piece of lemon from my breakfast, and that can also go into compost. And I have one more dried flower that can also go into compost. And I have some more peels of carrot and peels of apple mixed together. Does this go in recycle? No. Does this go in trash? No. This can go in compost. And I have a stick from my garden, and this can also go in compost. And I have some more peels of apple, and this is gonna go into my compost bin. Now, you might be thinking, we already have two bins, why should we have the compost bin? Right, you're thinking right. I'm going to tell you the reason why we are going to have a compost bin. So this compost bin helps us reduce the amount of trash that go into the trash bin. So the trash that goes into the trash bin, it piles up as landfills, and it is gonna pile up, and it's gonna hurt our Mother Earth. It's gonna affect our air we breathe and the water we drink. Do we want that? Do we want to hurt our surroundings and Mother Earth? We don't. We don't like to hurt anyone. That's why we are going to have a compost bin where we are going to throw all our vegetable waste, food waste, and the plant waste. And these waste, it can be recycled, and it can be made into a healthy snack for our hungry plants in the garden. So I'm going to turn these waste that are inside the compost bin into a good food for my plants. So I took a plastic bottle and I made some holes under the bottle, and I'm going to transfer all the contents that are inside my compost bin into this plastic bottle. I'm going to spray some water. And I'm going to use a kitchen towel to close the bottle, and I'm going to keep it under sun. Animals called bacteria, they break or decompose these, and they change into compost manure. So they're going to work on it, and they're going to make a healthy snack for my plants in my garden. Hope you all learned about compost today. I'm going to scoot these bins a little to my left, and with that I'll teach you a new song which I've been learning this week. So it goes like this. Can you wiggle like a worm? Can you squiggle? Can you squirm? Can you flutter? Can you fly like a gentle butterfly? Can you crawl up on the ground like a beetle that is round? Can you move with me? Can you flip? Can you flop? Can you give a little hop? Can you slither like a snake? Can you give a little shake? Can you dance like a bee who is buzzing round the tree? Can you move with me? I hope you all like the song. Bye bye and take care until I see you for the next time.